People are wearing white with orange. Official weight 122 pounds. Professional record 2 victories, 5 defeats, with one of his victory coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing Arcelia's boxing team, ladies and gentlemen, Christian Tiburon.
Christian Tiburon.
And his opponent across the ring. Fighting under the red corner, wearing white with gold. Official weight 120.6 pounds.
Ito naman, taga-Ilor dito.
He
Kasama namin
has
to.
a professional record consisting of 4 victories, with one by knockout, and he is undefeated. Fighting out of Champ Fitness Gym of Santa Maria, Bulacan, all the way from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu City, here is Jeff Santos.
Napagtalo yan.
Once again, the instructions, here's Reverend Don Arguelles.
Round 1. Magsisimula na mga idol. Super bantamo ito mga idol. Yan. Round 1. Round 1 yan mga idol. Round 1. Magandang laban ito mga idol. Sumugod kagad si Tiburon. Pajab-jab lang si Roch. Pajab-jab lang si Jeep. Tinamaan si Jeep. Nahilo siya doon mga idol, nahilo. Pinipressure siya ni Tiburon. Tama rin si Jeep. Wala pang talo to si Jeep na to. Undefeated ito. Gusto siya tapusin ni Tiburon. Ang ganda ng patama ni Jeep. Round 1 pa lang, pero ma-action to. Magandang laro to mga idol. Super bantamweight. Uy, likod. Foul. Alam mo, matatapos na agad to. Action to, round 1 pa lang. Doon nagtapos ang round 1 mga idol.
And
Ang ganda ng laro.
number 1.